Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. We're going crazy tonight. I got myself an Instant Pot. Why did I get an Instant Pot? I met a guy, a dad, that made an oxtail pho with his Instant Pot. We did an episode on it just a couple weeks ago. It's unbelievable, and it was so fast. So I bought one, went on Amazon, picked one up. There's a link on my website too if you need to go find it, but I'm gonna try it out with some corned beef tonight. Corned beef, cabbage, some carrots, potatoes. All right, so let's take it out of the box. Instant Pot. Pretty excited. Warning, hot steam. Yeah, it could burn you. The hot steam could burn you. That's very possible. So let's make this thing. Of course, I've never used one of these before, so I gotta follow somebody else's recipe, which who cares, right? You guys follow my recipes. I'm gonna follow somebody else's recipe. It's saying, open that bad boy up. So 6 cloves of garlic, just like that. Got quartered onion, just like that. Boom. Stick that in there like that. I'm gonna put that fat side down, just like so. Sprinkle the spice packet. Now, I didn't have a spice packet, but I use pickling spice. So I'm just going to put a little pickling spice in there. So you could put in beer, which is what it's suggesting here, a nice IPA or a stout or something like that. However, my wife is gluten-free, so I can't use that beer. So I'm gonna use beef stock. All right, we got 2 cups of beef broth. Throw that in there. 2 cups of water. On top, somehow. Okay, there we go. Turn it, turn the lid, make sure your vent, this guy right here, make sure your vent is closed. Pressure cook. Okay, and then you just push the button there. And we go to 90 minutes. Pressure level, high. It's on high. And then that's it. Okay, so once that's done, we'll put all the rest of this stuff in here, and I'm sure it's gonna be tasty, so I can't wait. All right, so we're back, and the Instant Pot is done with its 1.5 hours of cooking. I let it sit for 15 minutes with it off. Now I gotta let out a little bit of steam slowly. So I'm gonna grab a little towel just to make sure I don't burn my hands. See the little pin right there? There's a little pin right there. It's still up, so it needs to go down. As soon as that pin goes down, then I can open it. All right, I'm just gonna let it sit and let it deactivate itself. So while that's doing that, I got my carrots all cut up. Oh, there it goes. There goes the pin. Got my cabbage all cut up and ready to go. I got my potatoes. I'm just gonna leave them whole. I want them whole. That's how I'm gonna do it. Now that that's all vented, let's open it up. Let's take a look. Ooh, yeah. So I'm supposed to take this out now. So you get some tongs. Oh man, I should have got a bigger piece. Throw our potatoes in, throw our carrots in, and let's throw these guys in, all right? And we're gonna steam it for 3 minutes, okay? So let's get that guy back on. No, there we go. Close that up, steam. We wanna go 3 minutes and let it do its thing. So let's take our brisket here and we'll just do that, let it sit. And then once that is done in about 3 minutes, we're ready to eat. All right, so veggies, they're done. And then we gotta steam it out, right? Like we did before. Oh, this brisket looks unbelievable. I'm just gonna slice some slices. Oh my Lord. Check that out. Oh, that looks good. Okay, one more slice. Get in there. Gotta get the veggies out now. Oh man, look at that. Let's set that over there. Let's make a plate. Oh my God. That's really good. All right, so we're done with the Instant Pot. We made our meal. It's so good. I've got the family in here kicking it with us.
Yummy.
For the first time playing with an Instant Pot, I've never done it before. This is my first time because I just bought it. It really is good. I'm not kidding. It really is super tasty.
You know, I really like the corned beef, but My favorite thing on the whole plate is the cabbage.
Really, the cabbage is that good, huh?
I do love the corned beef.
And the flavors are great.
I know.
It was perfect. It's just perfect. So we did all that in about an hour and a half to 2 hours, something like that. So if you're planning on getting yourself an Instant Pot, I bought mine on Amazon. It wasn't expensive. It's pretty inexpensive. I think they're like 79 bucks, something like that. I do have a link on my website if you're looking for one. The family seems happy. So we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook, and we'll get this Instant Pot recipe up there. And if you want an Instant Pot, make sure you go get one because it is pretty amazing. I can't wait to play with it some more. So we'll see you next time. Hey, thanks for watching. You like our videos? Well, then do me a favor and subscribe, because then we can update you on what's going on. You'll also know when we're giving away really cool stuff, which happens all the time. So make sure you subscribe and we'll be in touch.